Hi, let me give you an idea of how I structure my bets or the sheets that you've been buying from me. The full sheet will show you my best three selections in each leg. Now, I'm a great believer it's very difficult to find a winner of any race, especially when you have got half a dozen trainers actually really trying. Now, they all personally, they think they're going to win. And when they're in the interviews after, they say, oh, yes, I thought it would win. And you think to yourself, oh, why didn't he tell us earlier? But of course, there are three or four other trainers who think exactly the same thing. When I analyse my horses, when I analyse the race, I look for the 3 or 4 maximum horses that I really think have got a great chance. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be the favourites, and my opinion is not always the same as anybody else's. But having done this now for 25 years in South Africa, I think I've stood the test of time, and I think I know what I'm doing. Anyway, let's just take a look at this. So first, like yesterday, 24th of Feb yesterday, I like to, as I said, I like to try and find the winner in 3 horses. And if you look at the 8 races we had, 6 of them had the winner in 3 horses. Now, as it turned out, there were fairly fancied horses that won, but I also had some slight outsiders in amongst those 3 to make them all pay. A bet which I quite like is the pick 3. Now, I use my 3 selections in each leg. So I've got 3, 9, 27 bets, so it's a 27-line bet. And with that 27-line bet, you've got 3 horses running for you in 3 consecutive legs. Now, yesterday, for instance, we would have been out in the first leg, so you're 27-line down. The second leg, you bet 3, and you go 1, 2, 3 in one leg, 1, 2, 3 in the second, and 1, 2, 3 in the third. That's a 27-line bet. And you would have got it to pick 3 in race 2. You'd have got 2, 3, 4. You'd have picked up 108 rand for your 27. The second, and you've still got going now. You've got the same again. You picked up 121 rand for 27 again in races 3, 4, and 5. 4, 5, and 6 picked up 68, and 6, 7, 8 picked up just 30. 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 6, 7, 8 lost. Right? So what we had on the day there, we had 6 different pick 3s. And 4 of the 6 came in with an outlay of 162 and a return of 327. So we made 165 profit, which is basically you've doubled your money. So that gives you an idea how to use my best 3 selections in each leg. In the next video, I'll go on to the buy pots and the pick 6s and jackpots and show you the best way to construct that. I have, by the way, written a book a number of years ago on how to structure your bets, which is now available as a download for 150 bucks. It's a bargain. So if you're interested in that, just let me know. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day today.